Alright, Chevy Impala. '02. This is an SS, right? Not an SS. That's what we're looking at. That's where the transmission fluid go in. This is how it sounds. Cables are turning. Got some oil leakage, but you know, seem to be doing all right. Down here, that's the transmission. That's the cable right there. I think that's the cable. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the cable. Yeah. Go ahead and go in there and just shift the gears. See if I can get you a better shot. I do it again. Do it again. Good. Yeah, do it again. Go all the way like low gear. Again, all the way. Okay, pull it back out. Alright, now go ahead and put it into reverse, and now go ahead and hit the gas. We ain't going nowhere. And same thing with drive. Go ahead, do it real quick. Don't hit my car. Look where my car is at.
We can't do this because if it do jump, then make that noise.
Hold on, let me move my car.